Hi guys, I have a new video. I will try to show you how to remove the drive shaft, gas tank and line and the exhaust. Okay, first the drive shaft. Go ahead. Okay, try to show you. You have to take out these 4 bolts. Here, this and this. And with a special curve, you can separate the bar from the transmission, but you need to be gentle. Okay, the next will be the tank. This is relatively easy. You just need to be careful about the weight. A bit of ice. Drain the gas before. Then the gas line. You only need to follow the line and remove all the bolts. Easy peasy. exhaust because I can disassemble it. Because they give the shapes impossible to take out in one piece. You can see the exhaust. I have some doubts about whether I can restore this part. Maybe I will be able to clean the rust with a sandblaster and then paint with ceramic. Perhaps we can save it. I will need to make a decision about whether this work would be worth it or if I will install a new exhaust instead. Okay, let me know what you think. Okay, good work. Now we have a clean undercarriage, no drive shaft, exhaust, gas tank or line. Now I can start to fix the floor